Humans always love to know and understand new things about the phenomena taking place in their surroundings. Our species is now highly developed and well organised at this stage, but it has come a long way in the technological field to achieve this milestone. However, many concepts are still hidden, and they trigger human knowledge at some point in life. Those questions are a big question mark on the achievements of humans. The unsolved theories also cause a fascination about the imaginary world in a tangible horizon that is unapproachable till now. To discover the realities of the universe, researchers are working continuously. They are sending many space missions, and with all the efforts being made by the scientists, part of the universe is still a mystery. Everybody is curious about the vastness of the Earth, and we are here to share the research carried out on this topic until now. We will go through astronomical research and theories suggesting the size of the universe, which is challenging. So let's start our journey to explore the vastness. What we can see. While seeing the gigantic starry skies at night, a thought passes through the mind about our size compared to the sky, that how small we are. Those millions and billions of twinkling stars in the sky bear us as their witness, as we are a part of the small planet of the whole universe. Even while seeing the sky, we can imagine how big this universe could be. But to prove this, we have to go into the scientific details of the universe. Cosmological research has always faced the critical question that how can you prove the size of your universe? However, it can never be explicitly answered by any researcher, as the big part of the universe is hidden. But it is also not the point that experts haven't made any effort to answer this. We all know that this universe is 13.8 billion years old and was made by the Big Bang. Big Bang theory has some essential information about the reality of matter, space, and time. History and cosmological rays usually play an essential role in studying the universe. Cosmic radiations usually lie in the microwave range, and even today they can be found in the infinite expanses of the galaxy. Different instruments and measurements are used to measure the radiation from different distances. With the study of these radiations, the universe's age was calculated simultaneously, and it has also shown that humans have seen 13.8 billion light years. If you want an imaginary view of this, draw a circle and mark the Earth in the centre. Then the surrounding will be an area that we can see when we are on Earth. Technically, this whole universe is an event horizon, and the event horizon emits light to make us able to see the objects when we are on Earth. Still, the processes behind this event horizon are invisible to the human eye. We have no idea about what lies in that invisible part of the universe, and even we do not know the actual size of the universe. Expansion of universe. If someone is still curious enough to know the size of the universe, then they must remember that the universe is expanding continuously. It can be explained in a way that if any object was at a distance of 13.8 billion light years at the time of the Big Bang, then that same object lies 46 billion light years away now due to the continuous expansion. From this, we can also say that in future, hidden objects will also be visible to us, and even some celestial bodies will disappear due to this expansion. While carrying out any space research, the Earth is considered the central part due to some spatial environment, as there is no specific place in the whole universe to place Earth to study the outgoing phenomena. The exact location of our planet in this constantly growing universe has yet to be discovered, because it doesn't mean that if you do not see the edges, they do not exist. The estimation of the expansion of the Earth got complicated when in 2020 ESA claimed that the expansion of the Earth is unique in all directions. The study was conducted with the help of MXM Newton, NASA's Chandra Telescope and the ROST X-ray Telescope. Researchers measured the X-ray temperatures of hundreds and thousands of galaxy clusters and compared them with the brightness produced by these galaxies. Some were less bright, while others were more. So they concluded that these galaxies were not moving or expanding with uniform motion, and the mysterious dark energy present around them was causing the uneven effect. Measurement of universe. We already said that many teams of researchers are constantly working to know the exact dimensions of the Earth. It will also help them know the exact idea of the dimensions of other planets by taking Earth as standard. Many different techniques are used to have an idea of the gigantic dimensions, and one of those methods is the measurement of radiation from ancient times. Radiations help measure different distances, and scientists can quantify dimensions from those distances. From this technique, the oldest known source found is about 92 billion light-years away from the blue planet. It has yet to be confirmed whether it is the outermost object of the universe, because there might be some more objects that are hidden from us. The object's distance is directly proportional to the time its reflected light takes to reach the planet Earth. Some of the celestial objects are so far that the light emitted by them takes billions of years to reach the planet Earth. Many light rays are still travelling in space and are about to reach us sometime. Shape of universe. The object's shape must be known if someone wants to know the exact size of the universe. But the Earth's shape is an unsolved question because no researcher has been able to answer it satisfactorily. Some scientists think that the Earth is like a self-constructed spherical body and could also be a part of some superordinate multiverse. In contrast, others think that the universe is an infinite flat surface. If someone is on the first thesis of some endpoint sphere, then it would be easy to find out the universe's dimensions by some mathematician with the help of necessary gathered data. However, it could not be possible to answer the size and dimensions of the Earth if you think of it as a flat surface. It is impossible to assign some shape and find the size of the objects with no boundary. Even NASA has stated that the Earth is flat, is significant beyond our expectations, and has a definite age. As we mentioned earlier, that it was made 13.8 billion years back. By this we can easily calculate the time of the Big Bang. Even when the team of expert scientists cannot find the exact size and shape of the universe, it becomes clear that it is enormous and expanding at considerable amounts. The precise exploration of the planet will involve countless generations of expert scientists and researchers, but still it will be difficult to confirm how huge it is. Even this reality cannot inhibit our fantasy about knowing the vastness of the universe and who resides where. Do you people know how big the Earth could be? Or is it a closed or infinite entity, as we discussed earlier? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts with us in the comments section. Also subscribe to the channel to stay connected for future information that we will bring you.